Hello, hello, hello. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm sorry for what you're looking at, but I just have 30 minutes to do my makeup for a friend's cocktail party. In the last video, I explained why you're seeing me in this background again, why I'm back in India. But this is a friend's wedding which I attend करने भी नहीं वाली थी. I had already said no because I knew I was going to be in Australia. But जब लखनऊ में है, तो I thought why to miss out on meeting people and wedding content. मेरी शादी तो हो ही नहीं है, मैं दूसरों की शादी में content बनाने वाली हूँ. But coming back to the mudda, I also wanted to make a very chatty and just, candid video. Unfortunately, I forgot one wire in Melbourne and I cannot connect my mic, so I'm trying to figure out kisse best audio aa jaye. By the way, this is how my skin is doing right now. It's pathetic. It's too bad. But kya kar sakte hain? We have to work with it. Everything that I've been eating India aake meri shakal pe dikh raha hai and I have to work on that as well. But abhi ke liye I'm wearing this sparkly black lehenga for the cocktail. I think it's a very good match and I'm gonna do a very sparkly glossy lip and smoky eyed look with it as well. Half an army, so bless me Lord. I just want to pull this off. Baki this is so nostalgic. मैं ये literally रोके वाले time के exactly एक साल बाद कर रही हूँ. 26 Jan was my roka and today it's 5th Feb, so nostalgia. Anyways, coming back to the makeup, let's start with it. All the items would be from Amazon. Their sale is going on, so you make the best decision right now by picking up things from Amazon. I love shopping from Amazon क्योंकि जितने Indian brands होते हैं उनके पास है, जितने high-end brands हैं वो उनके पास है, और अब तो viral Korean brands, skincare brands like Medicube and all is also available on them. So make the best decision and shop from there. By the way, this is my face when I've already done masking. Innisfree का volcanic mask मैं already use कर सकती हूँ and I must say this is my go-to when I really want to revive my skin from all the dirt and stuff. It's still my favorite and इसीलिए इस घर में हमेशा रहता है. And the sunscreen that I've used is from Moody. This brand just refuses to pay me for a collaboration, but मैं इनकी तीन variants, the yellow, green and this one, I've tried them all and I love them all. The green one is actually a personal favorite because it gives me that matte moussey finish, very primary silicone wala finish, but this one is very liquidy and very comparable to the Wishling का invisible sunscreen जो original आती थी, बिल्कुल वैसी है, but I just love the packaging. Now without wasting any more time, let's start with the base and I'm using a silicone primer. मैं कोई dewy हुई base नहीं करना चाहती because my face is very oily. So this goes on my T-zone under my eyes, nose and smile lines. And by the time मेरा primer set हो रहा है, let's open the curls. Unfortunately मेरे पास hairspray नहीं है, तो I am just relying on Dyson की power this time. Which is not bad. Also, if you want a full tutorial about how I do my curls, darlings, पूरा एक vlog बन चुका है उस पे. Click on the card and just watch it. I think I'm gonna let them be in the clip. I'm gonna look like a cartoon. I'm sorry, guys. मुझे ना मैं कार्टून कैरेक्टर की याद दिला रही हूँ. Somebody's sister, somebody's small sister, उसकी याद दिला रही हूँ. प्राइमर काफी हद तक सेट हो गया. I've not applied the primer here because कोई फायदा ही नहीं है इसका. I also wanted to get a clean up done, but क्या फायदा, इतने एक्टिव एक्ने हैं, clean up will ruin it further. So yeah. Anyways, let's go back to the concealer. This is by Makeup Reela. It's in the shade C11.2. It just works so well in cancelling out all the dark spots and the under eyes. मुझे जहाँ पे भी coverage चाहिए, और मेरी friend का call आ गया. I'm using Mars का BRF09 brush for concealing. Literally, it does the best job. ये इतना dense brush है ना, and इसका जो width है, it's just perfect for using it under eyes पे, nose के around. जो compact area है, वहाँ पे it does such a beautiful job. Just look at it. I hope मेरी under eyes are looking better now. And your redness भी cover करता है यार जल्दी से. Now the key to a dewy base is always using very light base products.
Kindly ignore my tired brain. मैंने हर जगह dewy और matte में confusion किया है. I meant long lasting base. Thank you.
अगर concealer है, let it be full coverage, but use a very light layer of it. एक के ऊपर एक चढ़ाओगे ना आप अपने products, तो उतना ही वो cake up हो जाएगा, उतना ही वो cracky हो जाएगा over time. And wedding है, तो ये 8-9 घंटे से पहले तो कहीं नहीं उतर रहा है मेरा makeup. I like it. For base, I'm using the Power Play Priming Foundation. I really like how it looks and feels on my skin. The only issue is इसका dropper बेकार है. वरना such an affordable option and Let me just show you. मैं फाउंडेशन पूरे फेस में नहीं लगाऊंगी, हल्का सा चीक्स पे लगाऊंगी, हल्का सा माथे पे लगाऊंगी, वो भी बहुत स्टिपल वाले मोशंस में, ऐसे ऐसे बहुत जेंटली अप्लाई कर रही हूँ मैं ये। आई एम नॉट टेकिंग इट टू माई अंडर आईज एज वेल, क्योंकि वहां पे हाईलाइटिंग वाला कंसीलर आएगा ही आएगा. So it goes on my nose, cheeks and forehead only. This is how the base looks right now. It's not the best because acne marks तो दिखेंगे ही दिखेंगे and I will let it be like this. मेरे acne सब popping out, तो मैं चाहे जितना primer और foundation लगा लूँ वो छुप नहीं जाएगा. I'm very blunt about this. On my channel मैं छुपाना नहीं चाहती. My skin is having a moment and I will let it be. Now let's go along with the blush. That is my favorite part for this look. Let me show you. It's from, एक second. हेलो ओके मैं ऑलमोस्ट भूल गई मैं क्या बोल रही थी. It's so chaotic. One of my friends doesn't have an outfit. उसकी कॉकटेल की आउटफिट मैं पहन रही हूँ because she was going to wear a saree. Now she is going to another friend's place जहाँ से वो उसकी मेहंदी आउटफिट निकाल के अभी ला रही है and I don't know what's happening. But मैं अपना मेकअप करके जाना चाहती हूँ. So the best part about this look is going to be a golden art blush. I think this should be a hint for you. I am talking about the sun-kissed new blushes from Maybelline. ये मैंने ना ऑस्ट्रेलिया में लिया था and मैंने अपने ऑस्ट्रेलिया हॉल, yes, it's coming very soon. उसमें बोल भी रही हूँ कि I'm so angry with Maybelline that they've not launched it in India yet. And उसी दिन जिस दिन मैं वापस आ रही हूँ उस दिन it gets launched with Malvika Sitlani. So happy for her. Not sure why she agreed for a drugstore promotion after dissing them for so long, but ठीक है. I have the shade. This is actually one of my favorite things. I have the shade 06 City Sizzle. It gives such a beautiful peachy shine. And मुझे ना इसके साथ फिर ब्रॉन्जर लगाने की भी जरूरत नहीं होती है. I just use it on my hands. Yes, directly मैं फेस पे नहीं लगाती हूँ. ये ना मैं अपनी जिंदगी में एक लेसन सीख चुकी हूँ कि डायरेक्टली लगाने वाले काम बहुत जल्दी पैची हो जाते हैं. It's always better to blend it on your hand and then apply it on your face. It gives a very subtle flush of color. Can you see? I really like it. वैसे ओवरडू नहीं करना चाह रही हूँ, कैमरा में कम लग रहा है, but I think मुझे कर लेना चाहिए because 4 घंटे बाद इवेंट. I know अभी थोड़ा ज़्यादा पिंकी हो रहा है, but trust me, it will all look very seamless because I still have to apply concealer. This has to be one of my recent favorites from Maybelline after Telly Tint. I love the concept of blush with highlighter. I feel like काफी easy कर देगा वो हम लड़कियों की life because who has the time पहले blush को blend करो, फिर highlighter को blend करो, फिर bronzer को blend करो. This is the kind of blush which can give you the total effect of a bronzer and a highlighter and a blush, all 3 in 1. Now for the highlighting concealer, I have my trusty old infallible L'Oreal. I think ये अपनी आखिरी सांसें ले रहा है with me, but a very little bit of it in the inner corner, outer corner, bridge, एक dot, and हल्का सा यहाँ to highlight this jaw part. It blends so beautifully and doesn't even move my base. That's what I love about infallible range. Do you see the base? I know काफी bright हो गया एकदम से, but उसके लिए we have the loose powder from Maybelline and my trusty old makeup brush. बस उससे मैं set कर लूँगी सब कुछ. I'm good to go. I don't care about any expensive loose powder. This is my ride and die. Now we have to start with the eyes because that's the biggest issue here. But उससे पहले I'm gonna use a setting spray and set all of the base products that I've used क्योंकि ऊपर से loose powder भी गया है. I want to set it all in. And I'm using the one by PAC. It's their instant fixation prep and prime. Prep and prime. So it's great to be used on your base. Trust me, 2 साल से you must be seeing this black bottle in my vanity. And जब तक ऊपर face set हो रहा है, I'm gonna just blend this foundation on my neck as well. मैं इसको भूल ही गई हूँ. You know, usually shoot में I avoid using it on neck कि साफ करने में easy नहीं पड़ता. But यहाँ I'm doing it for a wedding. I can't miss out on my neck. I'm just so happy मेरी friend का blouse मुझे बिल्कुल अच्छे से fit हुआ है. I had my doubts. If you are a busty girl like me, क्या कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है ना आपकी friend की clothes से सब कुछ fit हो जाएगा everywhere. But the bust will always be an issue. मेरे साथ यही होता है हमेशा. Now the neck looks fine. And now let's begin with the eyes. I'm using the palette by Swiss Beauty. It's their 247 Passport eyeshadow palette. I love browns, the muted shade, and they also have this shimmery metallic shades. It's perfect for a beginner like me. I'm gonna take the brown and apply it on the corner. I know डार्क हो गया है, but I'm just gonna blend it in. Crease के ऊपर लेके I'm just gonna blend it in. Because I have hooded eyes ना, तो ये crease के ऊपर ले जाना is very necessary. Color. Now I take this light brown shade and blend it inside on the base eyelid actually. Now I'm taking a dark brown shade and pressing it along the waterline, the upper waterline. है ना, ऊपर वो define हो गया है better. And I'm not doing it with the eyeliner या काजल because वो बहुत stark लगेगा. I'm using a powder thing so that it looks very blended and soft. Now shimmer के लिए I'm very confused. I could have gone for the grey that comes here, the golden that comes here, and the bright golden. ये फिर भी rose gold है, ये golden है literally. I don't know what to do, and I only get one chance to do it. So this is the golden that I have, and this is the rose gold. I think rose gold को ही setting spray के साथ उठाती हूँ. So I'm taking a setting spray and spraying it on my brush ताकि ये अच्छे से glitter उठा के press कर पाए. Taking this one, काफी तो उठाया है मुझे लग रहा है. Wow, it looks nice. I like it. Okay, this is how the eyes look. What do you think? I think मैंने थोड़ा over कर लिया है. I'm very scared. And other messages भी आ रहे हैं. I don't know what to do. You know what? मैं बाल खोलने वाली हूँ. I think बाल खोलने के बाद the eyes don't look as dramatic. है ना? I think the shine is subtle. बाकी मैं फिर से उसको blend करके I can make it more subtle. What do you think? या तुम तो बोल ही नहीं सकते. Also, this is the day I've decided I'm not gonna drink a lot. मेरी skin already is screaming for help, so I'm giving myself the freedom. खाना खा ले. खाना इंडिया में आके ही मिलता है अच्छा खाना, so do that, but I don't get to drink a lot. That's it. I like my eyes. Let me do the mascara as well. Mascara के लिए I have the trusty old Panorama. I love it. It does the best thing to my eyelashes, and ये मैं off camera करना चाहती हूँ please. Okay, fuck everything else. I'm just gonna do my brows. I feel like this is enough. जितनी हुई है. and then बस brush कर लिया. That is enough. Now let's get to the base. I'm using the Brown Swiss Beauty Chocolate Liner. इससे ना perfect contour आता है मेरी lips पे. I think मैं vlog के end में दिखा भी दूंगी कि मेरा makeup how did it perform at the end of the evening. I am so confused between this pink lipstick and this evergreen medium brown nude. I know I wanted to do a gloss all over, but I think I'm gonna go with pink. It looks nice. Okay, this is how everything looks. अभी मैं gloss लगाऊंगी, but इससे पहले ना I want to blend the glitter. मुझे लग रहा है glitter बहुत stark हो रहा है. So एक fluffy brush again from Mars. उससे I'm just gonna blend it. And gloss के लिए I'm taking again from Maybelline the Lifter Gloss in the shade Petal. I've already shown you guys this one. It comes with glitter particles. That's what I love, and you just see it. खुद देखो और समझ जाओगे कि why I love it so much. It's non-sticky and gives the ultimate shine. I think it's looking nice. मेरी जिंदगी में कलेश ना हो नहीं सकता. लाइट चली गई और okay, this is how my base looks right now. I kind of like it. There's a flush of color that looks so glowy just because of that, sun-kissed blush. इतना प्यारा ग्लो आ रहा है. The pink lips, I might change it to brown later, but I like my eyes also. ना पूरी outfit change करते हैं. God bless the friends who have this creative ability to make such good outfits. इसका blouse and all is so good, and it's not even that revealing. अब मुझे ये देखना पड़ेगा कि मैं एक साइड दुपट्टा रखूं, ऐसे रखूं. उसने तो ऐसे रखा था. It's not looking bad actually. मैं ऐसे ही रख लेती हूँ यार. This is giving very 2000s, poo and all. I like it. I think I'm gonna keep it like this. But यार मैं ऐसे ले नहीं पाऊंगा. तब मुझे घुटन हो रही है. I think I'm gonna keep it like this only. या फिर ऐसे. हाँ, this is good. Last time setting my under eyes and spraying the setting spray. This one is specifically so fine ना. कुछ setting sprays का spray इतना harsh होता है. It ruins the base, but not this one. वैसे तो मैं बालों का सब कुछ कर चुकी हूँ अपने, but I'm just spraying on the Radiant Spray by BBlunt. to give it a shine. Also, body spray के लिए for glitter I'm using Pixi Glow Tonic. It's so oily. I don't like using it on my face, so it will show me shimmer. See? ये ऐसे ही stay करेगा. पूर्णिमा मैडम क्या किया इसने?
And definitely such a gentleman.
It's from एक सेकंड कौन सा कलर है? हाँ कि मैंने बालों पे लगा लिया. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है ना कि आपकी फ्रेंड की बहुत यार ये है तो बड़ा सुंदर बट ब्राउन टोन पे इट लुक्स सो गुड. I did it. It's not looking the best angle.
चलो go-kart चलो go-kart चलो go-kart चलो.
अभी हम पिछड़े हुए लोगों को
बाय गाइस. भैया अंदर तक अच्छा सॉरी भैया. थैंक यू भैया.